In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular text in Figma. Circular text is perfect for badges, logos, and UI flourishes, and you can do it quickly using a simple plugin workflow. Start by opening Figma and heading to your canvas or any file where you want to work. Select the text tool from the toolbar, then click once on the canvas and type the words you want to bend. Keep your copy short and clear. Cleaner phrases are easier to read when curved. You can adjust the font, size, weight, and letter spacing now, just like you normally would. Picking a sturdy sans serif face often gives the best results for tight arcs, while lighter styles look great on wider curves. Next, open the Plugins menu in Figma. From there, choose Arc. Bend your type. This plugin takes your selected text and maps it to a curve. With your text layer selected, the plugin window will show a set of controls that shape the arc. Use the curvature or radius control to define how tight or wide the circle feels. Larger values create gentle arcs. Smaller values pull the text into a tighter ring. If the letters look cramped, slightly increase letter spacing in Figma first, then revisit the plugin controls. Most circular layouts also benefit from a consistent baseline, so check for any options that flip, mirror, or set the direction of the arc. If your text appears upside down, switch the direction to place it along the outer edge of the circle. You can also nudge the start angle to position the first character exactly where you want it, like centered at the top. To create a perfect ring, increase the bend until the endpoints approach each other. Center align your text for even distribution, and consider using all caps with modest tracking for improved legibility. Thin scripts can warp on tight curves, so opt for sturdier weights. When the preview looks right, click Apply. The plugin will finalize the curve based on your chosen settings. After applying, you can move, align, and scale the curved text like any other layer in Figma. If scaling changes the feel of the curve or spacing, simply rerun the plugin on the same text and fine-tune until it matches your layout. That's the entire process. Create your text, run the Arc plugin, make thoughtful adjustments, and apply. With a few tweaks to spacing, font weight, and curve tightness, you'll get a clean, professional circular lockup ready for badges, buttons, or hero graphics. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.